Are you tired of staring at complex design software for hours only to end up with an ad that doesn't convert? You're not alone. Look at the difference. On one side, cluttered manual ads. On the other, sleek, high-converting AI-generated creatives that stop the scroll. Today, I'm revealing the 500-a-day secret using AI. This tool is a game-changer for entrepreneurs and marketers looking to scale fast. First, let's get you set up. Signing up is effortless. Just head to the site and create your account on their sleek, user-friendly interface. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and designed to get you from zero to a finished ad in minutes. Ready to start? Let's click on the Create Ad button. Notice the glowing effect. Everything here is built for maximum efficiency and ease. Now, define your goal. Are you looking for sales, leads, or brand awareness? The AI needs to know what success looks like for you. Pick your platforms. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Google, AI knows the perfect dimensions and formats for every single one. Watch as the AI instantly resizes your creative. No more manual cropping or design headaches. It's all automated and pixel perfect. Next, input your product details. For this example, let's type in AI marketing course. The more specific you are, the better the results. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. A burst of professional graphics appears, featuring catchy AI-written headlines that are scientifically proven to convert. Look at these vibrant images. The AI picks the colors and layouts that resonate most with your target audience, saving you days of testing. Once you're happy, it's time to export. Click download or connect directly to your Facebook Ads Manager for a seamless workflow. Now, let's talk about the launch. You don't need a massive budget. Start with just $5 a day and let the AI-optimized creatives do the heavy lifting. As the campaign runs, watch your metrics. High CTR and low CPC are the goals. In this dashboard, you can see those green bars climbing. There are two main ways to monetize this. Plan A. Use these ads to sell your own digital products or affiliate offers. Or Plan B. Offer ad creation as a service to clients. You can charge hundreds for a single campaign that takes you minutes to generate. Check out this case study. We spent $50 on a test campaign and generated $400 in revenue. That is an incredible 8x return on investment. To scale, always test 3 to 5 creatives at once. Let the data tell you which one is the winner, then double down on the high performers. Ready to change your marketing game? Comment AI ADS below to get the link to start your trial and boost your ROI today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. We're dropping more AI money-making strategies every week. See you in the next one.